Hello again everybody. Today I'm going to show you a pretty cool card trick and tutorial, and at the end of the video I'll be announcing the winners of the signed deck giveaway from my last video, plus there's going to be another signed deck giveaway. So for this effect I'm going to be using my discontinued brown Riderback deck of bicycle playing cards. I don't know why they discontinued these cards. I think this is a pretty cool deck. The color may not be as bright and as bold as some of the other bicycle decks, but I think it's really a nice looking deck, and it's too bad they've discontinued the cards. But I do have about 10 decks left, so I'll be giving them away as prizes in the upcoming videos. So for this trick I'm going to be using 12 random cards. So we're going to take 4, 8, and 12. We'll set those down, we'll get the rest of the cards down right over here, and now we're going to mix them up. So I'm going to down jog and up jog. Every second card will be up jog, and we'll take the up jog cards out, move them to the top. We'll do that a second time. Down, up, all the way through, and then we'll take the up jog cards, move them to the top. Now we're going to make two piles of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now if there was a spectator here with me, they would follow along. So the spectator would take these cards, I would hold these cards, and what we're going to do is we're going to go down and under, down and under, down and under, down and under, down. And we'll take the leftover card and set it off to the side. So the spectator would do the same thing. Down and under, down and under, down and under, down and under, down. And set that card off to the side. Now the spectator would pick up the cards just like this. And what we're going to do is out jog or up jog the second and the fourth card. Flip them over to the top. Once again, up jog the second and the fourth card. Flip them over to the top. And the last time, up jog the second and the fourth card. Flip them over to the bottom. And they would be doing that along with me so they wouldn't make a mistake. They'd up jog the second, the fourth card, flip them over to the top, up jog the second and the fourth card, flip them over to the top, and then up jog the second and the fourth card and flip them over to the bottom. Okay, let's take a look. We'll spread the cards out and see what we have. So we have 4 cards that are face up. We have the 3 of diamonds, we have the 5 of spades, the 10 of hearts, and the 4 of clubs. 4 cards that have nothing to do with each other. But as I said in the beginning, they've discontinued the brown cards because maybe they're not as bright and as colorful as some of the other cards. We just got lucky because we found 4 pretty colorful cards. A turquoise, a green, a fuchsia, and an orange. Okay, this is a self-working trick, so the performance pretty much is the tutorial. I'm going to show you 2 ways how to perform this trick. First, using 4 different color backs the way I did in my performance, and the second way will be using 1 deck and 4 of a kind. So, using 4 different color backs, we're going to use a 3, a 4, a 5, and a 10. You're going to remove the exact same cards from the deck that you're using and get rid of them. We're going to take these 4 cards, place them on the bottom of the deck, and place the deck in the box. Now you're ready to begin. Take the cards out of the box. Make sure you don't flash the cards on the bottom. Spread through the cards, just don't go all the way down. And then what I did was a triple swing false cut. The triple swing false cut looks something like this. My tutorial for this false cut is right over here. It's also in the description below. Then what I did was a Hindu shuffle. So you're going to grab a portion of cards from the middle, not affecting the bottom 4 cards, and you're going to start peeling them off just like this, right to the top. Then you can do an overhand shuffle if you like. Just hold on to the cards on the bottom, pick up a group of cards, and start peeling them off. So it looks like you're shuffling the cards, but you're not messing with the cards on the bottom of the deck. So now you flip the cards over and say that you're going to take 12 random cards. Take these 4 cards and set them down first. Then 4, then 4, and then set the rest of the deck down. Now you have 12 cards with your 4 different color cards on the bottom. And now all you have to do is go to about 47 seconds in the video, and the rest is self-working. If you prefer to use 1 deck, remove 4 of a kind and alternate them red, black, red, black. So we're taking out the 4 kings, and these cards are going to go on top of the deck. Now you can do whatever false cuts you like. False table cut, keeping those 4 cards on top. And do the exact same thing where you drop 4, and these are going to be the 4 kings. Then drop 4, and continue from there. Now the reveal can be slightly different. You could say these two cards over here are a match. And you could spread the cards and show there's one face down card right in the middle. And you can turn over and say that these two cards are also a match. Two black kings. And look at that, you found four of a kind. So let me know which way you guys like better. And now on to the prize giveaway. Here are the winners of the signed decks from my last giveaway. Winning a blue signed bicycle deck goes to Marin Mandic. Winning a fuchsia signed bicycle deck goes to Anthony Kwan Hee Yee. Winning a black signed bicycle deck goes to Freaky Ghost 7. Winning a turquoise signed bicycle deck goes to the Elktro 123. Winning an orange signed bicycle deck goes to Brady Baseball 13. Winning the discontinued brown signed bicycle deck goes to the Green Bros 3. Winning a green signed bicycle deck goes to Gabe the Babe 02. And winning the purple Riderback signed bicycle deck goes to Winston Agnew. And now for this week's deck giveaway. This week I'm giving away an orange, a turquoise, a fuchsia, a green, and two signed brown Riderback decks of bicycle playing cards. All you have to do is leave a comment below, like the video, and I'll be announcing the winners next week. Good luck to everybody. That's it. I'll see you next time.